Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download logo from Namelix generator. So first thing you need to do is simply enter the keyword here you want to create your logo for. So I'm just going to enter my channel name, and from here select your name style. So I will keep all the details as default, and then click on generate. So once you do, it will generate many logos that you can download and use. So to download logo, simply click on logo that you like, select this one. Once you do, simply what you need to do is click on this purchase button, and once you do, you have to purchase their plan to download any logo in PNG format. So that's how you can download logo in Namelix generator. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.